I will not be talking at all during this video.
Today I thought it would be fun to share my for him gift picks, and I figured who better to know things for him than my him. So today we're just sharing a few products that Con really loves that I think would just make really good gifts. And I also just want to say some of these gifts are totally gender neutral. Most of them in fact are. So even though that this was curated with him in mind, it doesn't mean that you can't take these gift ideas and use them for anyone in your life who you think would enjoy them.
It's just a title, don't overthink it.
Yeah. Okay, should we hop into it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Just leave me hanging.
Oh.
Yeah.
Very strong start, the chemistry. Please no. Am I saying?
No.
Please, thank God.
Okay, our first gift is a soda stream.
The most dad gift there is.
Yeah.
Honestly, I love it.
Yeah, so I got this for Con for his birthday, and he really liked it. Obviously, this is a gift for anyone who likes sparkling water. He drinks sparkling water all the time because of this now. I got it in this really nice navy blue color, which I think is sort of pretty too. And I like this, especially because it doesn't have any cords or anything.
No, super easy to use.
Totally.
It's a good health alternative. You drink more water.
Yeah,
compared
definitely.
to like pop or anything like that.
Exactly. So I think this is just a really solid gift. Hits at a really fair price range, I think. So
every now and then you just got to get a gift that really is adulting. And
exactly, right? And
I do
the
love
good
this.
thing about this is that it's something that people will actually use. It's not just like a whatever gift, which is really what I tried to think of when we were curating this list.
Don't expect to take their breath away with the gift. They'll probably won't go, oh, the soda stream. Oh my God, how dare. But within a week, they're gonna be thanking you big time.
Absolutely. Next gift, I feel like this is just like a hot one for gifts. Obviously AirPods, such a good one. Again, my parents bought these for me as a gift, and I'm not a him. So just a great gift idea in general. But if someone you know doesn't have them, I feel like they'd be so excited. I was so excited when I got these.
Yeah.
Con knows I'm getting them for him for Christmas, so.
Very excited. Like literally been waiting months for it.
Totally. And we actually went to the Apple store and tried on the second generation ones as well. You were fine with the first.
Yeah.
Like there's really not that much difference, especially if they're not an Apple user. Like he doesn't have an Apple phone, so he couldn't utilize a lot of the new features in generation 2. So keep that in mind when you're shopping for people. Also, I really think that these will get the job done just as well. So if you want to just save the $100, I would definitely stick with the original one. Yeah, I think they're good.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm very pumped for this.
Actually. I know. Okay, actually this next one I don't have here to show because it's at my apartment. Because this might be a gift for him, but it really is a gift for you. And it's a hoodie of his or their favorite team. So my mom actually got you this last year. It's a Notre Dame hoodie, which is his favorite football team. I just feel like that's a really easy one to get, easy to find. You can like find like cheaper ones on Amazon if you don't want to shop through like the NFL or whatever kind of sport website.
They'll wear them for decades, so just make sure you don't hate the sweater because they're probably going to be wearing them for years and years.
Absolutely, yeah. And the one that I got you that my parents got you was so comfy.
Yeah.
I really like it.
Yeah, I do too.
Hence why it's at mine, because I wear it all the time. Next up are these white sneakers. So these ones specifically have seen some better days because he wears them to death, which is why they're such a great gift. So we found these on Amazon. They are so affordable. How much? $25?
$25.
Something like that.
It's just nuts.
So nuts. They're really great, and I really like because they're pleather, so you can keep them looking clean because you can wipe them down very easily versus fabric.
I love white shoes.
Totally.
But I get them dirty all the time. So
I mean, you
easy
wear
to clean.
the crap out of these. You're always wearing them.
Exactly.
And really with these, I think they could get cleaned up really nicely, even this pair specifically. You just throw the laces in the washer and give them a good wipe down, and there you go. Super comfortable.
Yeah, I love them. I wear them literally both for work and socially.
Totally. Okay, next up we're going to talk about his bomber jacket. Go ahead, Con.
Okay.
Where's this from? Kitney's?
I think so, yeah.
I just want to double check. Oh, no tag. Oh, because it's reversible? This is reversible, Con. That's nice.
Oh, that is nice. That's a Lululemon logo.
Gotcha, which is the same as Kitney's, right?
Yes. Okay. So Kitney's is the sister brand.
To Lulu.
Lulu.
Okay, great. Mystery solved. So anyway, we wanted to show you a few things from Kitnace slash, I guess, YOUUU, because that's Connor's favorite brand to wear. Like everything he wears Kitnace. Yeah. This t-shirt's Kitnace. The pants he's wearing right now are Kitnace. I feel like he wears this all the time.
Yeah. Nice light for when it's like rainy too. Perfect.
Totally.
Kind of bomber to
and
throw on.
it's a nice look as well, I think.
Yeah, I really like that.
Good looking jacket. And then another thing we wanted to show you is his Kitnace white sleeve. Oh, yeah. White long sleeve.
It's just a white long sleeve.
Pretty simple, but easy.
Very comfortable.
It's super soft. Really lightweight.
Well, it's the thing about Kitnace. All of their stuff looks really nice.
Yeah.
Basic style, but it's super comfortable. It's a little bit more expensive than your typical place.
Yes.
But
which is why it's a great
forever.
gift. Totally. It's something that like you may not want to spend that money on yourself, but that's what makes it a great gift idea because you know, you're willing to splurge a little bit more on whoever you're buying something for.
And once they start wearing them, it's gonna be
they will be obsessed. Yeah. Okay, and sticking in the clothing realm, I wanted to talk to you about this amazing clothing brand that we are like obsessed with right now.
It just ran into our lives.
Honestly. So this is called Alternative Apparel. They're really great because they're a eco-friendly brand. So everything is made with sustainable fabrics and they are to die for.
Oh yeah.
So this first one is a Henley, which I feel like you wear these all the time now. And I think a really similar fabric to Kitnace, lightweight, it's really soft. The Henleys are just such a good look, I think. I think that Henleys look so handsome on men.
I agree.
And then also they have these sweatpants that are just to die for. I wear these all the time as well. Yeah. He has like 3 pairs of them, so we both get to wear them.
These all get good wear from Jill, so especially these comfy clothes.
Oh yeah, because I just come over here and just want to be like lounging.
But they're light enough and comfy.
Totally, they're so comfy. So these are one of the pairs of sweats. These are my personal favorite. They have like, they're really fluffy on the inside, but they also have ones that aren't fluffy on the inside. So if your man gets a little bit
sweatier,
like hot more easily, then those might be a good pick. I know those are the ones that you like best. They are so crazy comfortable.
Yeah, can't say enough good things.
Yeah, like this brand is honestly so fantastic. Definitely check them out, take a look through some of their items. They have a ton of stuff on there, mostly loungy, and then some like shirts and things like that that you can wear out of the house. And I even think these sweats are nice enough that you could wear them for sort of like streetwear.
Totally.
Look.
This is my favorite gift.
Yeah.
So Jill got me this.
Yeah, last Christmas.
Cannot say, I had one of those, if you ever watched Seinfeld, George had a gigantic wallet that he'd keep in his back pocket. That was
trifold, like huge. Very dad. It was
could only go in the back pocket because that's the only place it could fit. Cause back issues, all those things.
Love it. Yeah, so I went ahead and picked him up with this card holder. So this one's from Michael Kors. I actually got it on an amazing sale last year on Black Friday, but you can find these at all different price points. Like you can seriously go to H&M and buy like a $15 card holder, which is gonna be really nice, or all the way up to like designer brands, Saint Laurent, things like that. It's just so practical. You get so much use out of it.
Who uses cash anyways anymore?
Totally.
There is a little spot for that, but
you
like,
can stick some cash in.
It's all you need, really.
Totally. I have a card holder and it's like the best, the only thing that I use.
It's the best.
I feel like they're very like in right now to have this kind of wallet. It looks really nice.
You can barely notice it in your pocket, but it's like enough. It's huge, like life-changing.
Totally.
Life-changing.
Was it?
Yeah, that's when everything started going up. It wasn't until this wallet.
Well, you're welcome then.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, this next one is a Dollar Shave Club membership. You use Dollar Shave Club, right?
Yes, I do. All those guys know that shaving's ridiculous. Like the prices for any kind of razor.
Totally. Well, us too.
They're just insane. So Dollar Shave Club, it's easy.
How much is it? Do you know?
God, it's
$10 a month.
It's something like, I think even like less than that. I think it's like $6 or something stupid like that.
So you can get a starter set for $5.
That's what I thought it was. Yeah.
Okay, great. And you really like that shave butter a lot. That comes with it, right?
Yeah. So they give you everything that you need.
Yeah.
They give you shaving cream, aftershave.
Yeah.
Honestly, it pampers you more than you probably are doing with just the Gillette. And it comes right to your door. Don't need to get it.
And then just sticking with grooming, this is another thing that I got Connor last year. This is the Ranger Grooming Company beard oil. Did a lot of research about what kind of beard oil to get because I had obviously absolutely no idea. And what I liked about this one was it's fragrance free, so it's not gonna make anything smell weird. It's not gonna be irritating. It's a really nice natural formula. It even says on here 100% pure organic. And seriously, the difference is amazing. I can feel it like when I'm touching your beard when you use it.
I think it's mainly, like it's a little bit for both. Because for you, it makes it actually like tolerable.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then for me, yeah, if your boyfriend or significant other's trying to get a beard for the first time, they really do need to get some kind of beard oil because you just go through a period where it's way too itchy otherwise. And if you don't have that in there, it's going to be just rough and cutting out. So
good to know. Cool. Yeah, I just think it's a really nice gift. And like I said, really affordable. I just bought this one on Amazon, so.
And they last a long time too.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're like halfway done with that bottle. It's been a year, so.
Yeah, exactly.
Great. So next up, we have this backpack. We just looked, this is actually also YOUUU.
So my mom just went shopping for me one year.
Yeah.
It just got me a lot.
But this backpack has been so great. Use this, he packs for like week-long trips inside of this thing. I mean, as you can see, it's pretty big, but
size
I could never pack for a week in this. This is like maybe a weekend.
Okay, that's what I mean. But it is.
I mean, look at how big it is. Like, it's very wide and it has lots of compartments.
Yeah, no, it's great.
So it has this like top one, which goes down to about here. And then there's a bottom compartment here as well. So you can separate things really easily. They have side pockets here to slide things into.
Really good for traveling.
Totally. It's just black, it's durable, and good to use in lots of different situations. When Con needs to bring stuff to my place, he just packs it up in here. Or like I said, going on trips, you can use this as your suitcase. So
always good to have like kind of a cooler, trendy backpack.
Totally, and something big like this, because they might not have it. More than likely they have a smaller backpack that they might use on a more daily basis, but something like this could be something different for them that they can use in some different circumstances.
Totally.
And this last one is just like a small, like this might be good for a stocking stuffer, but it's this cup that I bought Connor and he loves it, at least I do.
Oh, I do.
Yeah. Just very simple, reusable black Starbucks cup. I feel like it's really like sleek and nice. It still has the Starbucks logo, but it's very like
painted in.
Totally, yeah. So great. I feel like it's very like masculine.
I feel like everyone needs a water bottle at home.
Totally.
Right?
You use this all the time at home. It's great for Starbucks, obviously, so that they're not using the plastic cups all the time. Just a great, easy little gift if you're looking for like one more small thing to throw in. Something like this would be great.
Highly recommend.
Yeah.
Nice little gift that actually you use a lot.
Exactly. It's another one of those things that it's actually very practical despite not being the most exciting gift. It's not a Switch, but...
Who are we kidding?
You probably drink out of this more often than you play video games.
Yes.
So there you go.
Okay, let's not compare this to the Switch.
Well, I'm just saying.
Are you getting me a Switch?
No.
I think this is a good range of gifts. Nothing is really expensive here.
Totally, yeah. If you want to splurge a little bit more, you can go for something more like the AirPods. If you want something way more affordable, you can go for something like Dollar Shave Club, the beard oil.
I think this wallet's honestly one of the best value gifts.
Totally, and like I said, you can go with tons of different price ranges with this as well.
Sorry. There you have it.
There you go. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you next time.